In this video, we'll walk you through setting up and getting acquainted with your child's Vivofit Junior 3 fitness tracker. To get started, you'll want to pair Vivofit Junior 3 to your compatible smartphone so you can begin tracking your child's activity, assigning chores, and handing out rewards. It's all controlled from the Garmin Junior app on your smartphone. To pair your child's Vivofit Junior 3, you must have an account with Garmin Connect. That's because your kiddo's profile will be stored under your account, so no one can access it except you and anyone else you allow. Download the free Garmin Junior app on your smartphone. Log in using your Garmin Connect username and password, or follow the on-screen prompts to create one. Afterward, you'll set up your family profiles in the app, including one profile for each child. When you're finished, press and hold the button on Vivofit Junior 3 until this icon appears. Then simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. You can repeat this process to pair more than one smartphone or tablet, or more than one Vivofit Junior 3 device. The Garmin Junior app is where you'll go to monitor your kiddo's steps and active minutes, as well as assign chores and hand out virtual coins. For children who are ready for a little extra responsibility, you can enable Kid Mode. This gives your child limited access to the app to monitor their own chores and view the latest uncovered app adventure. Turn on Kid Mode and set a passcode. Your child won't be able to modify chores or change coin amounts without that passcode. Every day that kids meet their daily activity goal, they get to unfold new and exciting app adventures and play the heart-pounding Tap Challenge game. To view the day's segment, open the Garmin Junior app and head to the App Adventure main screen. Press play to move along the map to the next portion of the episode. You'll see an art card describing the latest part of the story. Your child will have to meet their activity goal tomorrow to find out what happens next. The map is chock full of new stories for your kids to discover, Tap Challenge games to play, and even fitness moves to learn. Now let's take a look at the device. Your child can access information on the activity tracker by scrolling through available screens. Press the button to cycle through them. You'll see the current time and date. You can customize this screen in the Garmin Junior app to include your child's name. Next, the total number of steps taken for that day and a character icon, the total number of active minutes for the day and your child's progress toward their 60-minute activity goal, the number of chores completed and assigned for the day, and the total number of virtual coins earned. This widget shows your child's current level. It will continue to go up the more they stay active and progress through daily app missions. There's even an In Case of Emergency widget, where your child can quickly access their emergency contact information if needed. This will not appear on your child's fitness tracker unless you've added an emergency contact via the Garmin Junior app. Press and hold the button to view the menu, and press to scroll through the options. Here you can manually sync to send the latest activity tracking and chore data to your paired smartphone, or start a task timer, start a stopwatch, start a 2-minute toe-to-toe step challenge, or begin a timed activity. Display device information, or return to the previous screen. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.